In a recent video, I made this shop-made hold down for my drill press. But at the end of the video, I just grabbed a plastic threaded knob out of the bin and called it good. Well, when people saw that video, they called me out and said, hey, you went to all the trouble to make the shop-made hold down, why not make your own knob too? So that's what I did. We're going to show you just how easy that is to do. It all starts with this scrap piece of 3/4 inch plywood and a little layout. I started by drawing lines through the center from side to side, up and down, and then also through the corner. So I have 6 lines all going through the center. Then I drew a smaller circle, and that's going to be the final shape of my knob. Then I drew a larger circle, and where the circle intersects each one of those lines I drew earlier, I'm going to drill a 3/4 inch hole, and that's going to create the lobes on the outside of my knob. Once that's done, I can come back and drill a shallow counter bore, and that's going to seat my T-nut in there nicely. And then I can use either appropriate size hole saw to cut it to final shape, or just take it to the bandsaw and cut it out from there. And then once that's done, I'll make sure that my through hole fits the stem of my T-nut, and then I can tap that in, and I got a nice little knob that I can put on my shop-made hold down. Holds everything in place and maybe save a few bucks too.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Now, every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.